Hey guys, man, it's been a while since I made a YouTube video. Sorry to those of you who have followed me looking for videos on blacksmithing and forging, and hadn't done that in a while. I relocated over the last several months. Took some time with the move because we didn't sell the house till several months after we moved. But anyway, a lot going on the last 6 months or so, and just haven't really gotten my forge going again since I relocated to Oak Grove, Mississippi from southern Louisiana. But we bought a piece of property with a big acreage, and it's been very enjoyable to be out and be able to just open a door and go on a nature walk right outside your door. So shot some footage today walking around in the woods, and wanted to share it with you guys. Hope you enjoy the video, and hope to get that forge fired up again pretty soon. All this wood around here, I could probably find some stuff to make some more Native American flutes out of as well. So got lots of bamboo growing on the property and all kinds of trees. So enjoy the day. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It's my first time walking down this far into the woods. I guess it's the south side of the driveway toward the school. But a lot of water flowing down through here, and a whole lot more down trees than I imagined. They're everywhere. Still pretty cool. A little adventurous. Nice nature hike. Not really any clear paths to walk on yet, but we could probably create some. That would be kind of nice. You can probably hear the water running. Kind of falling over those roots right there. Pretty cool to have this in your own property. Just natural drainage from the hilly land, where the water finds its way down to the low point. Pretty cool walk in the woods today. There's a bone right there. Hopefully some animal carried that in here and didn't die right here. No telling. Some kind of animal's probably living right in that little hole right there. Maybe some rabbits or something, I don't really know. Comes out over here on the other side too. It's actually underneath some old roots from what looks like maybe a tree was standing there at one time. Lots of big vines growing in here among these trees as well. Not sure what kind of vines they are, but some of them are pretty huge. Well, I'm back out on the driveway now. Just getting some steps in, trying to stay healthy. I look kind of scruffy, man. I hadn't shaved in the last 2 days. Need to get that cleaned up. Anyway, been really spending some time today observing the cycle of life. It's just amazing how much nature thrives when it's undisturbed by man. So there are downed trees everywhere, and those downed trees will return to the soil and future trees will grow out of them. There are algae and fungus and lichens, I'm not sure how you say that, growing on the trees. There are thousands and thousands of dead leaves, and sprouting up between those dead leaves are new growths that are coming. Spring will be here soon. It's just amazing to watch it all and bear witness to the cycle of life and nature. It's just really cool. Sorry, my video footage is probably getting off because I'm talking. I was looking for something, but there's a tree over here that fell down, got caught on another tree, and that other tree propped it up, and it just kept growing. There's a tree over here that's completely sideways, fell down, and it's parallel to the ground, about 5 feet off the ground. And then there's a branch growing straight up in the air, 20 feet from that tree that fell over, just finding its way back to the light. I came out here for the second time today, expecting to walk up and down on this driveway that you see, like I always do or have been doing, and decided to go stick my face in the woods and walk around and see what I could see. Unfortunately, I wasn't really dressed for walking in the woods, and I'm bleeding a little bit right there. Bamboo growing earlier. There's a couple good examples of it. It's kind of growing all along the driveway. Bamboo forest. Hope you enjoyed the video today, guys. I will get back to some more DIY stuff. There you go, Home Sweet Home. The little one and I made that a few years ago. She's 6 now, about to turn 7, so she was probably 4 or 5 at the time. Obviously, she didn't cut out the wood, but she did most of the painting by herself. Anyway, stay tuned. Come back to see what's going on with us in Oak Grove, Mississippi. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Please like and subscribe.